Hello. Today I'll show you how to add a header and footer to all pages. Step 1, view multiple pages. Open your Word document. Go to the View tab and click Multiple Pages to see all pages side by side. Step 2, add and customize header. Click on the Insert tab, select Header, choose a template. Type your header text. Highlight the text, right-click to change font size, color, and style. Step 3, add and customize footer. Scroll down to the footer section. Click to add footer text. Select the footer text and adjust font size, color, and style from the Home tab. Step 4, insert custom header and footer. Navigate to Insert, then select Header or Footers and choose a style. The custom design will apply to all pages automatically. Now you know how to add, customize, and style headers and footers in Microsoft Word easily. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.